So I have the number 235. And we can think of that as two hundreds. We have a 2 in the hundreds place, so two hundreds. 3 tens, we have a 3 in the tens place, so 3 tens. And 5 ones, we have a 5 in the ones place. And over here, I've actually drawn it out with that many boxes. This is 235 boxes. So you have two groups of 100 boxes. So this is two hundreds. Then we have 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. And then we have 5 ones. Now let's try some interesting things here. So what happens if I were to add 10 here? Well, adding 10, we're just adding 1 10. We're just adding 1 10. So if we add 1 10, what's going to happen? Well, over here, I need to add one more 10. I got to add this 10. So what's it going to look like? Well, the next 10 is going to look like this. Let me see if I can draw it pretty fast. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just added a 10. So what does that leave us with? Well, if I had three tens and I have one more 10 now I'm going to have 4 tens. Now I'm going to have 4 tens. Let me do that in that yellow color. So now I'm going to have 4 tens. I'm still going to have 5 ones. 5 ones. I'm still going to have 5 ones. I'm not adding any ones there. So I'm still going to have 5 ones. And I'm still going to have 2 hundreds. I'm not adding any hundreds there. So I'm still going to have 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. So now it's going to be 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Well, what's that going to be? Well, 2 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 5 ones, 245. Let's do one more. Instead of adding a 10, let's add 100. So let's do that. Let me see if I can clear all this stuff out. So instead of adding 10, let's add 100 here. So I'm going to add, plus, let's add 100. I'll actually do it in yellow and in blue. So I'm adding 100, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So I'm essentially just adding 100. So this is going to be equal to, plus 100. So plus 100. So what's that going to get me? Well, let me draw it out here. Let me copy and paste. I have 2 hundreds before, but now I'm going to add 100. So let me just copy that and let me paste it. So now, how many hundreds do I have? How many hundreds do I have now? Well, now I have 1, 2, 3 hundreds. I have 3 hundreds. So over here, I had 2 hundreds. I'm adding one more 100 right over here. So now I have 3 hundreds. Over here, I could say that now I have 3 hundreds. Now, are the number of tens, have they changed? No, I had 3 tens before, and I'm not adding tens this time, so I'm still going to have 3 tens. And I had 5 ones before, and I'm not adding any more ones, so I still have 5 ones. So I have 335, which is the same thing as 3 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 3 tens plus 5 ones plus 5 ones.